in the right areas. Once again he starts short, but this time there's an edge and the keeper takes it.
If as a bowler you decide to bowl a short one,
Straight away it makes an impact, gets the off stump, and second row to the Pakistan team.
In the air, taken. That's the wicket. Once again falls to Muhammad Nabi in 2 matches, back-to-back fucking runs. It now come down to
running between the wickets. Direct hit. How close is that?
it's the ball. Doesn't spin time. Oh my god, that is out. That is some brilliance out there.
Straight away, pick it up to the break.
In the air, pulled away. The method hasn't worked. Ultra aggressive. They make a list of things. One up in the air, another one for Russia. He takes another scalp. Struggling now. They got 169. Goes and is done. Russia gets spinners. Yet. Bowler had no clue of the length, the line, and he's been